Hey, this is Sean Robinson, Vice President of Solutions for Harman International. And I'm here at Australia Integrate to talk about a really cool new product from AMX. It's the CTC-1402. And so it works in huddle spaces with our Ascendo solution. So we have our Ascendo solution shown here, Ascendo Core and Ascendo Vibe. And Vibe is a web conferencing soundbar that is connected to Ascendo Core and displaying the user experience here. But let's say that somebody comes in and wants to run Skype for Business or something like that off their laptop. They come in, take the connector, a USB-C. They plug in USB-C to their laptop, and what's going to happen is the CT series transmitter is going to automatically switch now not only HDMI, but also USB to the laptop. So now your laptop takes over the screen, and the camera, mics, and speakers are now connected over USB into this laptop. So from that perspective, now you've just made it a BYOD experience. So for more, come see us at amx.com.